Everyone, welcome to this session. I am Anamika, your bio teacher, and today I am here with the chapter 7 for class 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation. In the previous video, students, you have read about the adaptation of the polar bear, penguin, that means the mainly adaptation of the animals, those who are living in extreme cold climate, that means the varieties of animals, seal and other also. In this video we will read about the adaptation of the animals, those who are living in tropical rainforest. So that means first we will discuss about that what is tropical rainforest, where it is located, and what are the various types of the animals which are found here, and one by one their adaptation also. So in this video mainly we will focus about the adaptation in elephants. So first see that what is tropical rainforest. Actually the tropical rainforest are the forests which are mainly found in the tropical region, and tropical region, that is the places which is mainly found near the equator. So in India, Western Ghat, Uganda, Nigeria, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Malaysia, Kenya, Indonesia. So these are the places where tropical rainforests are found. And in tropical region, what happened, which is situated near the equator, that means the rays of the sun that falls directly. Okay, in polar region, that means slanting sun rays. So let's see some more about the tropical rainforest. The tropical regions have a hot climate because of its location around the equator. The minimum temperature is more than 15 degrees C during cold winter. The maximum temperature is more than 40 degrees C during hot summer. The days and nights are almost equal length. These regions also have a plenty of rainfall. So mainly these having the tropical region having the hot and humid climate. The tropical region in India are Western Ghats and Assam. In the world, the tropical regions are Southeast Asia, Central America and Central Africa. The common animals which are found in tropical climate are monkeys, apes, gorillas, lions, tigers, elephants, leopards, snake, lizard, insects, birds and etc. We will start the adaptation in elephant. As you know that elephant, that is the largest land animals. Actually the largest animal, that is blue whale, but that is not land, that is aquatic animal. So elephants are the largest living land animals. African elephants can weigh, that means up to 18,000 pounds and around 10 feet in height. Largest elephant recorded around 24,000 pounds in weight and approx 13 feet long. Elephants are also intelligent creatures. How? If that means they saw any mark, they can recognize their reflections, just like others, that means intelligence creatures like chimpanzee, humans, etc. Their biggest size, they can, that means utilize 70,000 calories per day. So they take around 220 pounds of food and approx 50 gallons of water. And the third adaptation, that is elephants are the only living animals with long trunks, and this trunk is very useful. That means this trunk, that is actually the elongated nose, which is used for breathing. They also use the trunk for eating the various food items like branches of the trees, and they also, that means, pick the small things by using their trunks. They also give support to the other animals. They can take a small as well as big things also. So in this way these are useful, and they are strong enough, that means so this is used for, that means, picking the objects around 300 pounds. Next is elephant tusk. These are the giant teeth, which is actually the protruded part of the incisors, and this is used for tearing and piercing. various objects that is also made from the tusk. So that's why many peoples they kill the elephants for obtaining their tusk, which is used for various purposes. Next is elephants have the strong sense of smell. So this is also useful for, that means protect themselves from the predator. The large ear of elephants are useful or helpful in hearing the very soft sound, and it helps them to, that means protect themselves. These ears are also helpful in keeping their body cool during the hot summer. This means, that means it acts just like a fan. The large feet of the elephant, it also helps them to walk easily on the land. That means it protect themselves to sinking into the ground. And that means their toes are also strong enough, act as like a cushion. Okay, so that means in this way, that means they support their body weight. So these are the adaptation which are found in elephants. Helps them to live in the tropical rainforest. Okay, that means whatever the topic that is discussed, that should be clear to you students. In our next video, we will read about the adaptation in monkeys and red-eye frog. Okay, thank you.